आरोग्यमंत्री विश्वजित राणे यांनी शनिवारी दक्षिण गोव्यासाठी मडगावमध्ये बांधल्या जात असलेल्या जिल्हा रुग्णालयाची पाहणी केली। यावेळी नगर नियोजन मंत्री विजय सरदेसाई, आरोग्य अधिकारी डॉक्टर दळवी आणि गोवा पायाभूत विकास महामंडळाचे अधिकारी उपस्थित होते। यावेळी मंत्री राणे यांनी या रुग्णालयात गोवा वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालयासारख्या सर्व सुविधा उपलब्ध करून देण्याच्या सूचना अधिकाऱ्यांना दिल्या। त्याचबरोबर दर महिन्याच्या शेवटच्या आठवड्यात कामाचा आढावा देण्याची सूचनाही केली।
Madgaon to Panjim, whether 1 or 2 units of, see, it's in my mind, but there are many units in Goa Medical College, in surgery and so many other things. There are 4 units, 5 units. We will also see whether we can have some sort of tie-up with Goa Medical College and see so that certain manpower is placed here so that all operations are fully functional. I don't want it to become a district hospital of Mapsa. Mapsa, I have to sit and review how it is functioning. And I will be in consultation with Vijay from time to time. And not only that, now as Vijay suggested, he has given a view that he wants to put people who will be very sensitive on the visiting committee. So I have asked him to suggest whatever he wants to suggest so that we are in touch on a day-to-day basis with what is happening. Now with them also I have had an email system. I have said any problem, no protocol. Directly Dr. Aira will send me a mail on my mail. I will read it and then talk to the director if anything is there. There has to be a transparent, open system in functioning. If I follow, it will go to secretary, it will go to public health department. Now this is dealing with lives of people. One signature can either help somebody or destroy somebody's life. It is such a portfolio. So we will do it. And under his supervision, we will all meet here once a week. And we will take any issue to be discussed with Chief Minister, then we both will go and discuss it separately. Like this MRI issue which is there, which is not factored in. We must factor it inside here, like he has said, because we don't want people to be referred to Goa Medical College. If possible, 1 or 2 units of Goa Medical College, I can place it here. So we are trying to work out. So let us work out. Just give us little time so that we can do it. And as in his presence itself, we will be having monthly meetings under his supervision.